Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the long-term chart of silver futures, and you may have seen many big investors or those who are holding gold and silver for long term. They are indeed very bullish as far as the price chart of or long-term chart of silver is concerned. And for the last couple of decades, the silver has been trading in between a range. You can clearly see the futures that we have here. Now understand that there are certain specifications or there are certain checks or the tick marks that has been met for this particular commodity to move higher. So whether this has met or not, that market will decide. I am going to discuss about the trend and I'll let you know what's happening as far as the price chart of silver futures is concerned. So let us see what's been happening over here. And you can clearly see right now that silver futures has been trading in between a range, and only if silver futures breaks above the range, then we can discuss or think about the next move. Okay, so first of all, the big range in between which silver has been trading for the last you can see since 1974, so it means 70, 80, 90, so it's been 40-45 years. Silver has been trading in between, or 46-48 years rather. Silver has been trading in between a range. On the downside you have 3.5 and 4.15, and on the upside you have 42.5, or let's say $43, which was the resistance of 1980, and then again in 2011 it actually makes a move beyond 43 and hits 48-49, but then again we have seen a big correction or consolidation. And for the last 11 years silver is not yet tested or is yet to test its previous high or big resistance. Now what I am going to do, obviously we are going to discuss about the current range, but as far as the long term range is concerned, what I am going to do, I will analyze not the entire section but the part of it. So for the long term trend, this is what I'm going to discuss. Okay, but as far as the current range is concerned, we have 15.4 as our support and 13.9 which is going to be our stop loss on the downside, and on the upside silver must cross and sustain above $43 for any further or big move going forward. So this is what we are going to look at as far as the price chart or current range of silver is concerned. So don't go below 13.9, because if silver falls below $13, the move for 3 and 4 will open up. So it is compulsory that silver will not go below these two specific levels, and on the upside, as I told you, $43. Now as far as the long term chart is concerned, and in a situation where silver moves and sustains beyond $43 after the breakout, then what will be the scenario at that time? Okay, so this is something which we are going to discuss, and for that we need to make the range, or we need to see how the trend looks like in the past couple of years. So as I told you, I'm not going to, for long term chart, I'm not going to do analysis for the entire trend or range. So this is what we have here as far as the lower end of the range is concerned, right? This is what we have here as far as the lower end of the range is concerned. You can clearly see, and let's say if there is a breakout beyond $43, then what lies ahead in the upcoming years? Okay, you can clearly see this is a slow moving commodity, and when there is a big move, obviously it will go on for the next couple of years, but you need to understand the pros and cons. Now beyond $43, the big move that we are going to look at, or the big range that we must look at, will be in between $105 and $150. Okay, so this is what we are going to look at. Last time when the move started from 2001, it went up to 2011. It means 10 years. So if I consider the low of 2020 as a starting point, it can go up to even 2030. So this range is quite okay or fine. So beyond $43, if there is a breakout beyond $43 for silver future, the silver will move towards or in between $100 and $150 in the upcoming years. But as I told you, this is going to take some time. This is not for the short term time frame. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.